Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, today we are going to start a new topic, that is verb. So, verbs are actions that we do. They are also called doing words. A verb is an action word which tells us what person, an animal or a thing does. So what is a verb? It is an action word which tells us about what a person, an animal or a thing is doing. As you can see in the chart is showing us different types of action words. They all are verbs. Let us see some example. So first example is the gardener waters the plants. What does the gardener do? He waters the plants. The word water expresses an action. A verb is the action or state of being in a sentence. So let's see an example. First example, Jennifer walked to the store. So here walked is the verb that shows an action, and second example, you were a great singer. So were shows state of being. A verb can have the following different forms: to give, give slash gives, gave slash giving, and given. Verbs can take s, es, ing and ed after them. Words like is, am, are, was, were, do, did, has, have, etc. can be used before verbs and they are called helping verbs. For example, grandfather was praying in his room. So here praying is main verb and was is helping verb. So a verb that comes before the main verb is a helping verb. A verb is always used according to the subject, that is according to its person and number. For example, I am a girl. So here I is a subject and am is a verb. Another example, you are a wise boy. So here you is a subject and are is a verb. Now we will see the use of is, am, are. So is, am, are special verbs and they are used in the present time. So we have to remember some important points. First point, is used with he, she, it and singular noun. So what is singular noun? It refers to one person, place or thing. Let's see some example. So first example is he is 10 years old. So here is verb because in a sentence he is used and the point say is used with he, she, it and singular noun. Now let's see second example. It is a beautiful scene. Is again a verb. Why? Because it is used in a sentence. Now second point, am is used only with I. For example, I am a girl. So here am is a verb because I is present in a sentence. Second example, I am a good player. Again am is a verb because I is used in a sentence. Now third point, are is used with we, you, they and plural nouns. So what is a plural noun? So when we add a s to a singular noun, it becomes a plural noun. For example, we are the students of class 3. So here are is the verb because we is used in a sentence. Second example, you are an intelligent boy. So again, are is a verb because you is used in a sentence. So we can use is, am, are to describe some person or something. We can also introduce ourselves and others by using these verbs correctly. We will see where to use was and were. So was and were are just like is, am, are, but they are different forms of the same verb. Is, am, are used for the present time, whereas was, were are used for the past time. Now again we have to remember some points. So first point is was is used with I, he, she, it and singular nouns, and were is used with we, you, they and plural nouns. We can also use was and were when we talk of yesterday, last week, last month or last year. For example, I was sick yesterday. So here was is a verb because in this sentence we are talking about the past time, that is yesterday. Now if we talk about the present time, we will be writing this sentence as I am well today. So am is a verb. Now we will see the use of has, have and had. So just like is, am, are, have, has, had are also special verbs. Has, have, had are three different forms of the verb have. Have and has are used in present tense and had is used in the past tense. So again we have to remember some points. So first point is have is used with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Second point, has is used only with he, she, it and singular nouns. And the third point, had is used with all sorts of nouns and pronouns. What is a noun? Noun is a word that represents to a person, place or thing. And what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. As special verbs, has, have and had convey the idea of possession or to own something. For example, I have a book. So here have is a verb because I is present in the sentence. Second example, she has 2 bags. So here has is a verb because she is present in a sentence. Has, have and had are also used to show that an activity is taking place. For example, they are having dinner. So students, here we end our topic. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.